Hello and welcome to Learn Colors with me with Urdu translation. English made easy. This is a red apple. Red. This is a blue bird. Blue. This is a maroon t-shirt. Maroon. This is a white dress. White. This is a yellow fish. Yellow. This is a silver spoon. Silver. This is a green tree. Green. This is a black spider. Black. This is a purple flower. Purple. This is a blue whale. Blue. This is a glass of orange juice. Orange. This is a pair of pink gloves. Pink. This is a brown teddy bear. Brown. This is a gold ring. Gold. This is a grey parrot. Grey. This is a red apple. Red. This is a blue bird. Blue.